Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you to my channel. My name is Derek Stevens. So, no, simply, you can call me Joe. I'm doing this video today to address the differences between the ever culture and the ever tradition. Many people, when they heard the term culture, they thought the ever culture is all about juju worship, but I may say it's a total deceit or ignorance. Before the coming of the gospel to the present everland, our forefathers believed in the existence of the Almighty, Supreme Being who is God. So they created idols, which serves as a messenger between God and uh, them. So as times goes by and they transit, they leave this belief system as an inheritance to the younger generation. So in those times, idol worship has become a dominant cultural practices, a dominant among the other every cultural practices. And till today, many people do not seem to understand that there is a great difference between the ever culture and idol worship or traditional worship. And this is what I seek to address. You know what? Um, Passing down of uh, this idol worship system have become dominant in those days among the other every cultural practices. So I want us to look at the definition of culture and the definition of tradition. Then we look at three differences between culture and tradition. What is culture? Culture is the way of life of a group of people living in a specific geographical location. Also, culture is the ideas, customs, and social behavior of a particular group of people or society. Now, let us look at tradition. Tradition is the passing down of custom, beliefs from one generation to another generation. So now let us look at their definition and their differences. Difference number one: culture is largely designed to control how one goes about life in this world, such as morality, decency, respect, and many others. Whereas tradition was largely designed to accommodate the operations of demons and spirits. Difference number two: culture can be seen in a social group. Tradition can be seen in a family. That means culture is broad. Culture is can be seen among a large group of people, but tradition can be seen within a smaller group of people. And difference number three: culture is created by a group of people, specifically uh, or let me say particularly over a longer period of time, whereas tradition can be created by individuals. I hope from this definition it should be clear to you that tradition are also parts of culture, but not the same. Uh, uh, but not the same as culture. Some traditions can be amended. We have many good ever cultural practices that we can promote to the world. And same way, I'm not denying the fact that some of the ever traditions, or let me say belief systems, are archaic. They can be amended to, especially the cruel belief traditions. They can be amended. So the Ever culture is not all about idol worship. It's not all about tradition. We have other things that build up the Ever culture. So we have to promote the Ever, as particularly our language, our dialects, and our foods, our dressing, code of dressing, our morality issues, decency, and many other things. Thank you for watching my channel, and I want you to share your view with me in the comment section. Let me know what you think about culture and tradition, and also please subscribe to my channel, share this video to support me. Thank you for watching me. Bye bye.